What if I told you there's a silent thief that's already in your house? It's not after your money. It's not after your jewelry. It's after your future. It's stealing your strength, your posture, your independence. And most of us don't even know it's happening until we fall. And we break. This thief is called osteoporosis. And the weight loss advice we've been following for 20 years, it might actually be helping this thief. That's right. The way you've been trying to lose weight, the hours of cardio, the extreme calorie cutting, could be making your bones more fragile, even as the number on the scale goes down. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? A way to lose fat, build a faster metabolism, and build a body that's strong, dense, and unbreakable? Welcome to True Lose Zone, where we bust the myths that are holding you back. Here is the number one lie we were told. Just do cardio to lose weight. For women over 40, this is a disaster. Endless cardio doesn't just burn fat, it can also burn precious muscle. And when you lose muscle, that's called sarcopenia, your metabolism crashes. You have to eat less and less just to maintain your weight. It's a trap. But the real enemy isn't just muscle loss. It's that other silent thief, bone loss, and the two are linked. The less muscle you have, the less support and stimulation your bones get. So how do we fight back? We don't need just any exercise. We need 5 specific moves. These 5 exercises are your new secret weapon. They are designed to load your bones in the exact places you need it most. Your hips, your spine, and your wrists. Why load? There's a scientific rule called Wolff's Law. It's simple. Wolff's Law states that bones will adapt to the load, or stress, they are placed under. When your muscles pull on your bones during strength training, it sends a signal, "Hey, we're under attack. We need to get stronger." Your body then sends cells to build new, denser bone. You aren't just building muscle, you're building internal armor. But it's not just the 5 exercises. Anyone can show you that. The real secret, the thing that connects bone density to actual fat loss, is a special metabolic trigger that I'm going to reveal at the end of this video. Most people get this 100% wrong. Stick with me. Alright, let's build some armor. Here's move number 1. This isn't just a leg exercise, it's a hip and spine builder. By holding a single dumbbell right here, you are loading your skeleton vertically. This sends that get stronger signal straight down your spine and into your hips, 2 of the most critical areas. Keep your chest proud, sit your hips back like you're looking for a chair, and drive up through your heels. The common mistake? Letting your knees cave in. Think, push your knees out toward your pinky toes. Our upper body needs love too. The overhead press is king. When you press those weights overhead, you're not just building strong, toned shoulders. You're engaging your entire core, and that load, again, transfers right down your spine. The mistake? Arching your back. Squeeze your glutes, lock your ribcage down, and press. It's a core move as much as a shoulder move. What's the number 1 complaint as we get older? Posture. This move fixes that and builds your back. A strong back is a strong spine. Hinge at your hips, keep that back flat, no hunching, and pull those elbows up to the sky. Imagine you're squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. This builds the scaffolding for your entire upper body. Okay, let's pause. Are you getting this? Are you seeing how this is about so much more than just weight loss? If you're finding this valuable, and if you're ready to stop the silent thief and get strong, Do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for True Lose Zone right now. It's free, and it tells me to make more videos just like this. Go on, I'll wait. Awesome! Welcome to the zone. Let's get back to it. This is our balance builder. Falls are what we're trying to prevent, right? This move trains each leg independently. By working one leg at a time, you're challenging your stability and intensely loading your hip joint on that front leg. This is a powerful move for building density in the femoral neck, a common break site. Keep that front knee stacked over your ankle and just drop that back knee straight down. Finally, the king of all glute moves. Your glutes are the engine of your body. Drive through your heels, lift your hips, and squeeze those glutes at the top. This not only builds a strong booty, but it supports your lower back and, you guessed it, loads your hips. Want the bonus? Hold your dumbbells and do a chest press at the same time. You're building bone in your hips, wrists, and shoulders all at once. That's efficiency. Okay, you've been patient. You have the 5 moves. But I promised you the #1 metabolic trigger that ties this all together for real fat loss. Because doing these moves is great, but doing them this way is what gets results. The secret is a 2-part trigger. It's progressive overload, combined with protein. Your body is smart, but it's lazy. It will not build new muscle or bone unless you force it to. Progressive overload is a fancy term for making it a little harder over time. That's it. That's the secret. Maybe you do 1 more rep than last week, or you use the 12-pound dumbbells instead of the 10s. You must give your body a reason to change. But the real magic, the part everyone messes up, is the fuel. These exercises stress the muscle. Protein is the building block that rebuilds it stronger. You cannot build a brick house without bricks. All the hard work in the gym is useless if you go home and don't give your body the raw materials to repair and build. So here's the final result. You do these 5 moves, you challenge yourself, progressive overload, and then you immediately refuel with 20-30 grams of protein. You know what you've just done? You've built new muscle, and that new muscle is your new metabolism. That muscle is your armor. You will build a body that burns more calories just by existing. That's how you win. That's how you beat the silent thief and lose the fat. You get strong from the inside out. If you love this, please hit that subscribe button one more time and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. Welcome to True Lose Zone. Now, you know how to work out, and you know you need protein. But what does that actually look like? How do you eat for fat loss without feeling deprived? I've got you covered. Click the video on the screen right now. It's my latest one. What I eat in a day to lose fat in menopause. It's the perfect pair to this workout. Click it. I'll see you over there. Always check the description area, especially for the book we are offering this week. May the good Lord always bless you.